Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help how to study for OET medicine. Start by taking a full practice test to map your strengths and weaknesses, then set clear weekly goals. Focus on one subtest per week for concentrated improvement and track timing against real exam conditions. Record yourself for speaking tasks and review writing samples with checklists to target common errors. Stay consistent and review high-frequency medical vocabulary daily. Build a resource stack that includes official OET materials, one trusted textbook, and a reliable question bank for drilling. Schedule daily timed practice blocks, listening, reading, writing, and speaking, then review errors immediately. Use checklists for writing tasks and templates for common letter types to save time. Spend at least 2 focus sessions each week on expanding medical vocabulary and pronunciation for clear communication with patients and colleagues. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading clinical guidelines and study notes effortless, and it fits in your bag between shifts. It's a handy companion for short study bursts on commutes or breaks. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if you find it useful, grab one for focused reading. Now let's get back to the video. Simulate full exam conditions weekly to build mental endurance and timing confidence. Break practice into micro sessions, 25 minutes for a subtest, then rapid error review, and repeat. For speaking and writing, use focused feedback cycles with rubrics and corrective drills. Track error categories and revisit weak areas until accuracy improves. Celebrate small wins to keep motivation, then scale difficulty as you progress toward your target band.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.